This Top Yacht Help video explains the steps needed to set up a new internet site. Firstly, we have to go along the taskbar here and select Site, and that brings up the configuration menu. There are some prerequisites which you must do before you can populate this particular screen. You have to have an internet account with an internet service provider, and the internet service provider must provide you with a login, a domain name, a login, a password, and a path, if necessary, to the results folder. I'll explain a bit more about that later. The first thing is we have to create the environment for a new site. Now, Top Yacht will allow you to support more than one internet site to upload results to. So we select New, and we need to put a name in. We'll call it My Club. Hit OK. Now we can populate this particular field. The FTP site, standing for File Transfer Protocol, will usually take the form of your ISP will provide you with that. They'll supply with a username. It's usually in the form of an email address, like They'll also give you a password. The port number's defaulted. Don't have to worry about the proxy server, but the club results folder is most important. What you put in here depends very much on how cooperative your internet service provider is. Now, ideally, when the internet service provider creates a subfolder on your website called results, the FTP login protocols, which is all the stuff up here, which he sets up for you in the background, should point to the club results folder. So if that's the case, what you have to do is put a full stop in there. And usually most sites operate in passive mode, so you can tick that box there. If the provider is more difficult and they point you to the absolute top end of the website, you have to put a path in here which might look something like where'd that go? Didn't put anything in there. And when the particular site, when Top Yacht file manager, site manager, logs in, it will be pointing to the top end of the results folder. We'll cover the next part of the filling in of this in the next video.